Before it becomes pasta, it begins here, North Dakota, where the finest durum wheat in America is harvested.
From grain to semolina, from dough to spaghetti, 100 years of tradition, perfected in every strand.
From field to factory, from our hands to your table, this is how we make spaghetti. From field to factory, from our hands to your table, this is how we make spaghetti.
North Dakota, the heart of America's durum wheat country. Before spaghetti, before pasta, there is grain. Hard, golden, and essential.
20 tons of wheat per hour. Every kernel tracked, every acre logged. Jack has done this harvest for 30 years. He knows the land better than anyone.
Wheat flows from combine to cart, from cart to truck. Each transfer tracked, each load logged.
40,000 pounds per trailer. Each load sampled, tested, approved. Only the highest protein durum wheat becomes
14.2% protein, the ideal for pasta. This wheat is destined for something special.
Good batch, ready for transport.
From field to elevator, from elevator to rail, the journey of this wheat has just begun. Ahead,
into the silos, then into the rail cars. Tomorrow, this wheat will be on its way to the mill. From North Dakota,
1,000 miles of track, 3 days of travel. From North Dakota to Minnesota, where the wheat will be ground into the finest semolina flour.
Minneapolis, the milling capital of America.
For over a century, trains like this have delivered wheat to these mills.
The journey by rail ends here, but the transformation has only begun. From hopper to silo,
Here, the wheat rests, waiting, tempering, preparing. In this controlled environment,
milling is an ancient art. Stone rollers, precise gaps, perfect temperatures. The wheat is cracked, sifted. Semolina, pure, golden, perfect. This is the flour of pasta, the foundation of spaghetti.
David has made this run 100 times. From Minneapolis to New York, 1,000 miles of highway, 2 days.
2 days on the road, through the Midwest, past the Great Lakes, into the Northeast. Behind him, the mill. Ahead,
New York, the capital of American pasta. For 100 years.
To New York. 100 years of pasta making. Every day, 1 million pounds of spaghetti emerge from these buildings.
50,000 pounds of semolina, transferred in minutes. From truck to silo, from silo to mixer, the pasta line is about to start.
The semolina is logged, stored, and ready. Behind that door, it will meet water and be...
The dough must be perfect, not too wet, not too dry.
Years of experience guide.
The dough is ready. Now it will be forced through dies, bronze plates, holes, to become spaghetti.
Bronze dies, cut to exact specifications. Each strand identical, each one perfect. The pasta is born.
Churches. Drying is the slowest part of pasta making. Hours of careful control. Too fast and the pasta cracks. Dry, cool, ready. The pasta has completed its transformation. But before it can be packaged, it must be cut to
10 inches, the standard. Every strand the same, every portion exact. The cutting machine works at blinding speed, processing thousands of pounds per hour.
Eyes of silicon and light. Every strand inspected, measured, judged. Imperfections are ejected in milliseconds. Only the perfect proceed.
Machines inspect every strand, but human eyes verify. Jessica's trained eye catches what cameras might.
The pasta is perfect. Dry, straight, uniform. Now it enters the final stage. Packagers.
1 pound, 2 pounds, 5 pounds, every portion weighed to the gram. Retail packs for grocery stores, bulk packs for restaurants.
Flaps fold, glue bonds, rollers press. In seconds, open boxes become sealed packages, identity and ink and adhesive. Batch number, expiration date, cooking instructions. Every box now has its passport, ready for retailers and customers alike. Boxes become cases. 24 boxes per case, 24 pounds of spaghetti. Cases are the currency of logistics, the unit that trucks understand.
Cases sealed, scanned, and sorted, each one now a data point in the factory's digital brain. The robot knows where each case belongs before it even arrives.
2 robots, 6 cases per layer, 8 layers per pallet. 48 cases, over 1,000 boxes of spaghetti.
48 cases, over 1,000 boxes, more than a ton of spaghetti. All on one pallet, all perfectly
Wrapped, bound, protected. Stretch film hugs each case, securing them for the journey ahead, whether across town or
identity in ink and adhesive. Batch SP447 now has its passport, barcodes for scanners, dates for inventory.
Row P, Level 3, Position 12. In a warehouse of 50,000 pallets, this one now has a home. Every pallet has a destination. Today, this load is bound for Chicago, 1,000 miles away, a day's drive. Resting now, but not for long. Orders are coming in from New York, from Chicago, from Los Angeles.
Every pallet has a destination. Today, this load is bound for Chicago's away.
Another load, another journey. From North Dakota wheat to New York pasta to Chicago tables, the spaghetti has traveled 1,000 miles. For Thomas, this is routine. A million boxes of spaghetti leave this factory every week. They travel to every state, every city.
The night wears on, but dawn is coming, and with it, the city. Thomas has driven
Chicago, dawn. 1,000 miles from the factory, a week from the field. The spaghetti has arrived.
From factory to distribution, from distribution to store. Each pallet has a destination. Each box has a shelf. From the field to the factory, from the factory to the road, from the road to the store. The journey of a box of spaghetti ends. This is the moment. Not the harvest, not the extrusion, not the drying. This, a family, a kitchen, a meal. This is why we make pasta.
For 100 years, this factory has made pasta.
Michael started here as a temp, 23 years old, fresh out of college. Now he runs the line. He knows every machine, every worker, every trick.
Perfect batch. My grandmother used to make pasta by hand, every Sunday. Flour, eggs, a wooden board, a rolling pin. I watched her for hours. At the end of the day, the factory is just a factory. But the pasta goes into the world.
Tomorrow, more semolina will arrive. More dough will be mixed, extruded, dried.
The factory sleeps, but it will wake. Tomorrow, the line will start again.
At the end of the day, this is just a building. But inside, something happens. Something that has happened for 100 years.
Tomorrow, he'll do it again, and the day after, and the day after. Because that's what we do. We make things. We feed people. We keep going.
From field to factory, from factory to table. 100 years of pasta, 1 million meals.
This is how it's done. Not with magic, not with secrets. With wheat and water, with heat and time, with hands that know the work.
American pasta. Since 1922, 100 years of feeding families. And still going. The day begins. New semolina, new dough, new pasta. The factory breathes. The work continues.
And so it begins, again. The same as yesterday, the same as tomorrow. But different too.
This is the moment when semolina becomes dough, when dough becomes pasta, when a box becomes...
And this is how modern factories produce spaghetti from start to finish. From the field to the factory, from the factory. And this is how modern factories produce spaghetti from start to finish. From the field to the factory, from the factory.
Watching this run smoothly, you can't help but be proud of the team. We're ready for the next one.
My name's Michael. I've been here for 7 years. And this is how modern factories produce spaghetti from start to...